Why they keep... Maybe we need to drive faster, Miss Daisy. Hey, nice, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, you know what to do. And with that being said, let's get into this video. I don't know why, but every time I do an intro, it's like, oh, like every time I do an intro, I have to go ahead, like, I can't just sit down, like. But anyway, y'all. So today I got practice. Well, it's not practice, but it's tumbling. Well, I'm gonna call it practice. I got tumbling today though. And what time is it? It's like around 5 something already. And you're supposed to get at 5:30, so I gotta hurry up. But as I was just saying, now I'm like, let's do this prank on Mama. So like, I was supposed to do this prank, but I didn't have time. So I was thinking, let's do the HONK for good luck prank on her. And I'm gonna just say, subscribers wanna meet you, wanna know who Mama is, and all that other stuff. She not gonna know nothing. But I'm gonna have to make sure she don't turn that radio on, cause nobody's trying to get copyrighted. But I was like, let me just do it. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and I'm trying to hurry up and go put the poster on the car right now and do what I gotta do. So I hit y'all back later when we in the car or when everything is situated. And you cannot play no, you can't play the music too loud because I'm getting copyrighted and I don't need my video getting taken down, okay? My people, they wanna know about you. And I think I hit 87 subscribers now. They wanna know about you, okay?
What?
They wanna know about you. Can you stop doing that?
I ain't got no earring. Oh, I got one earring on.
Okay, so.
You're lying.
Lying about what? What am I lying about?
Whatever you doing.
Mommy, I just said they want to know about you.
What they want to know about me for?
Because, Mommy, when I get older and I get famous on YouTube, they gonna see you. So they don't wanna like, who is that in the background? So they wanna get to know you. You here in the back.
You need to get me off of though.
I know, you need to get put on. Hey, can you tell them about yourself?
The motherfucking
Mommy, we not starting this, okay?
Girl, get me off of that. I don't want to be
Mommy, you need to be on here though. They want to know about you.
Stop playing.
Mommy, come, like for real. They want to know about you. I just hit 87 though, for real. They want to know about you. So, what's your favorite color, Mommy?
Red.
Mom, be serious.
My favorite color is red. You gonna tell me my favorite color?
So when you switched it?
Red been my favorite color.
No, it's not have.
Yes, it was.
You switched it because pencil stick favorite color is red. Mom, your favorite color is blue. Look at your contacts, it's blue.
That don't mean nothing.
The maximum is blue.
That don't mean nothing.
Every outfit you got in your closet is blue.
No.
Well, majority of it is. That blue jumper or whatever the thing called, romper or whatever that you always wear is blue.
Girl, get me off of that.
No, Mommy.
I'm not sitting at the door.
Mommy, alright, come on, for like, you gotta for. Can you tell me what's your dream car or something?
I ain't got no dream car. And whatever car God bless me with, that's my dream car.
I like that. You working on that? I like that. Mom, can you ask me a question or something?
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm driving. I don't want to be on there. And I still don't want to be on there.
Well, guess who's going to be on? Well, look at my still is clear, huh?
Yeah, like what? I got a light bright daughter. I got a light bright daughter.
Can you stop biting your nails?
I got a light bright daughter that get on my nerves.
You look hungry.
Oh my God. That's
the sun.
I can't see her. She's clear.
That was not funny.
She's clear.
That was not funny.
I cannot see her. She's too damn clear. Find the daughter. Find the daughter. Find the daughter.
That's like, but they just stopped. I want to go to what's that thing called? It's like a lot of snow. Not too much snow, but it's a lot of snow. Normally people go there for Christmas and they be having cabins and all that.
Right, don't play with me.
What?
You know what the hell you mean.
No, I'm dead serious. I'm dead.
You trying to get me to say New York?
No. New York don't even. No, I don't think New York have cabins like that. I think it's over the sea.
Colorado?
Yeah, Colorado. I want to go there. Yeah, Christmas. I want to go there. And then I know a lot of people going there last Christmas too. It was nice. I want to go to Paris too. You remember you ever seen them little cookies that we have in that team movie?
Nah, yeah, stop playing with me, okay? Stop playing with me. You think I don't know what you're doing?
No, cause
Get that off of me.
I'm trying to actually do a video and you just acting like you don't want to know, Mommy. Like for real, like, I'm not even playing. I'm dead
Get
serious.
that off of me.
Mommy, look at my face. You know.
Get that off me. I don't want to be on your video.
You keep like I'm trying to do a video with
I
you.
don't want to be
And
on your video.
you not interacting.
I'm not, because I don't want to be on this. I'm getting you off of it.
Like I asked you if it was color, you say, and did you just pick your nose in my video?
Get me off of that.
And then I say, what I say? What? Mommy, no, for real though.
Get me off of there.
No, Mommy, interact.
I don't want to.
You need to. People want to know who your woman. I'm tired of them asking me this question, Mommy.
No, they ain't.
Yes, they is. I'm tired of them asking me this question. They want to know who you is. And you keep picking up at your nails like a little 5-year-old. Stop doing that. Why you keep picking at your nails?
Because if I would have been home, I could have cleaned them. You got me.
Mommy, maybe you're going too slow. Why you just doing it again?
They like some type of cane sign.
You said this.
Yeah, he did like that.
Spider-Man? You know Spider-Man? Oh. Maybe you need to drive faster, Miss Daisy.
It's nuts.
I already see that, Mom. You be driving slow.
You can't go that doggone far too many damn cars.
And they just got over. They didn't go back to driving school. Why they getting over so fast? No one just had a big choice.
Oh, he must be looking.
What's that?
Like this.
What's that even him?
Yeah, that's my truck. Can you get that camera off?
Mommy, no, you gotta be interactive. You're not being interactive, please.
I do not want that camera on me.
When you messing with me, I don't even want you to mess with me, but don't you still do it?
No.
When you beg for my food and I say no, don't you still ask? Yeah.
Girl, your green behind you. You don't got stingy. I used to have to ask you, used to give it. Now,
No, see, that's the thing. Exactly what you said. You used to ask and I used to give it. y'all ask too much. Everything I have, y'all feel like y'all.
I know. I didn't used to have to ask. You just give it or whatever. But now I gotta ask.
You used to ask sometimes.
No.
Yes, you have.
Mom, you want some? Mom, you want half it in? Now you don't got stingy. But you always big.
Things change.
Everything I get, you want. Mommy, can I have it?
Oh,
Mommy, can you give me this?
That's cow. I don't do that. Mom, what would you do if they put, if Wayne, say if you did, right, over 600 pounds, what would you do if Wayne put you on 106 pound life, whatever that thing called?
They gonna cut me a check. If they gonna cut me a check, I'm cussing at it.
So you'll be on them if they say you?
You trying to, why you said that or whatever? I look fat.
Mom, it's Mommy.
I'm asking.
And
I look fat.
do I look skinny? Oh no, that's not the right thing. Cause if you say yes, no, if you say yes, that means yes to you. No, I'm not calling you fat.
If we ain't getting no money, you better not put me on now.
Why did
Shut the because I crossed over from you. Be alright.
What?
Said they can't drive.
You ever thought maybe it's you that can't drive?
I went over in front of this car. I don't know why they blowing.
I mean, they say when most people do something, it's
I crossed over in front of this van that's behind me. Or whatever.
but
I had to get in. Shit, they cheating because they all over the damn on the yellow line that they ain't supposed to cross. You supposed to wait till you come in this part to get over. For your information, again.
I'm not the one they blowing at. You behind the
You
wheel.
in the car, so they blowing at you too.
You behind the
Can you
wheel.
get me off of that
No,
damn?
Mommy, I cannot get you off. Until you learn how to drive, they not gonna get you up. But until then,
Yeah, daddy.
You need to look at my credit report.
That part.
I ain't got no job. You ain't getting it.
And then wait,
I got a
so
boyfriend. Hold on.
that part.
This is an epic fail.
Oh, they got Amazon.
I was trying to
want to work
prank
that
you.
child.
It is because I got a thing on the back of the car. It says HONK for B-Day. And can we take a honk?
Yeah.
And, and you didn't give me the reaction I wanted. So no, it's them. They know driving right.
Child,
That's
please.
epic fail.
So that's why everybody is humping. You know what, Naya? You put that on the back of the car for real? What you put on there?
HONK for B-Day. And they thinking it's our birthday or whoever in the car.
That's why the white dude did like this.
Yes. Yes. And I kept trying to get you. I'm like, maybe you're not driving right. Go faster. She wasn't getting reaction. I'm like, bro. Song was right here, y'all. He did not give me the reaction I wanted. So, yeah, epic fail, y'all.
That don't make no sense to me.
I'm a
Well, I don't need that. You go that away.